Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about data room due diligence, red flags to watch out for. Data room due diligence is a process of reviewing confidential documents in a secure online repository known as a virtual data room. Here are some common red flags to watch out here during data room due diligence. Incomplete or disorganized data room. If the data room is incomplete or disorganized, it could be a sign that the seller is trying to hide something. It could also be a sign that seller is not prepared for due diligence process. Missing or outdated documents. If any important documents are missing from the data room or if any documents are outdated, it could be a sign of poor management or financial problems. Inconsistent or contradictory information. If you find inconsistent or contradictory information in the data room, it could be a sign of fraud or other wrongdoing. Negative financial performance. If the target company has history of negative financial performance, it could be a sign of underlying problems with the business model or the management team. High levels of debt. If the target company has high levels of debt, it could be a sign that is struggling financially and could be a risk of bankruptcy. Here are some additional tips for identifying red flags during data room due diligence. Be thorough. Don't screen the documents in the data room. Take your time and read each document carefully. Be skeptical. Don't just take the seller's word for it. Verify all the information that you find in the data room with independent sources. Ask questions. If you have any questions or concerns about the documents, be sure to ask the seller. Get help from an expert if you are not sure how to interpret the documents in the data room, or if you have any concerns, be sure to consult with an experienced attorney or advisor. Lastly, conclusion. By following the steps, you can identify red flags during data room due diligence and protect yourself from making a risk investment. That's all for today. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.